Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Pycharm installed and a Python interpreter available. Open Settings or Preferences, then go straight to Project Python Interpreter. This is where you add interpreters. Choose Add or the gear icon to create or attach an environment. If you already have a virtualenv or conda-env, select Existing Environment and point to its Python executable. If not, create a new virtualenv from the dialog. Doing this now prevents conflicts later and keeps project dependencies isolated. Once the interpreter dialog opens, pick the correct type: virtualenv for local isolation, conda for data workflows, Docker for reproducible containers, or system for global Python. Point Pycharm to the interpreter executable and verify pip and package listings load. This ensures IDE tooling works. Configure the project SDK and language level so code inspections match runtime behavior. If using containers, set path mappings and remote credentials. These steps ensure code runs identically in the IDE and runtime environment. Finish by applying settings and letting Pycharm reindex the project so inspections update. Run a simple script, print sys, executable and a package import to confirm the interpreter is used. Install any missing libraries with the IDE package manager or the integrated terminal. If something fails, check common causes: incorrect path or interpreter symlink, virtualenv permissions, or mismatched Python versions. You can view the IDE logs and the interpreter's stdir for clues. Fixing the executable path usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.